Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So my name is Marissa and I just like watching people do nails all day. So I thought I'd create a channel where people can do that. So you can watch me do nails. You can put this on in the background. Or if you really just want to learn how to do an overlay like I am learning how to do it, then just stay tuned and keep watching. In case you missed it, I already uploaded a video showing you how I prepped her nails, so I'll be sure to link that down below. So starting off, we're using the Orly Builder Gel, and I'm just going in with a thin coat of this over all of the nails just to go down as sort of a base coat. So after I've done all 10 fingers, I come back around and I start to prepare the nail so that I can make an apex and build up the nail in the structure that it needs. I use about a bead of gel, so sort of like the small size of acrylic if you're familiar with the small bead size of acrylic. I use that, but I don't use that for part of the nail. I use that for the entire nail. And I take it from the cuticle and I float it down to the free edge of the nail, and then I cap the nail. If I need to add more gel to the nail, I will in certain spots or on certain nails. And I look at it from different angles to see where I need more gel just so the nail can have structure. When I felt like the nails were fully filled in enough, I used an alcohol wipe and removed the sticky tacky layer from the nails. Something I wish I would have done was after I did that, I wish I would have used the file and kind of shaped up the nails a little bit. I kind of didn't want to move the gel around. I was scared because I know that gel is not as hard as acrylic, and you know, it loses its shape the more you mess around with it. So I was trying to be careful, but next time I definitely will shape up my nails with a file before I put the design on. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching my video. I hope you learned some. I definitely learned as I was trying this out. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.